Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I want to talk about how to store and organize pumped milk efficiently for daily use. This is a very important topic for mothers who pump regularly and want to keep everything simple, clean, and easy to manage. When you start pumping daily, milk storage can quickly become confusing if not organized properly. The key is to create a simple system that you can follow every day without stress. After each pumping session, always transfer the milk into a clean and properly sealed container. Try to use containers that are easy to store and stack. This helps save space and keeps your storage area neat. Labeling is one of the most important steps. Always write the date and time on each container. This helps you track freshness and ensures that you use the oldest milk first. This method is often called first in, first out, and it keeps everything organized. It is also helpful to store milk in small portions instead of large amounts. This makes it easier to use only what you need and reduces waste. Try to keep a fixed place in your refrigerator or freezer only for breast milk. When everything is stored in one section, it becomes easier to find and manage. You can also arrange the milk in order, placing the older milk in front and the newer milk at the back. This simple habit saves time and avoids confusion later. Before using stored milk, take a moment to check the label and condition. This helps ensure safety and proper use. Keeping your storage area clean is equally important. Regularly checking and organizing your containers helps maintain hygiene. Over time, this routine becomes very simple and natural. What feels confusing at first becomes easy with consistency. With a clear system, proper labeling, and a little daily organization, managing pumped milk becomes smooth and stress-free. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.